Security, do not leave your luggage unattended at any time. Do not transport any items from someone you do not know. If you believe someone has tampered with your luggage, as a reminder, wheel devices, including and wheel footwear, are not.
Got it.
Thank you.
Sure, you will.
Have a nice night.
Thank you guys.
Okay, ready? Keep going.
Howdy.
Get it. West. This way. This way.
That's very exciting, I know. That's nice.
using it until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, you can plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all your two. We will be landing in Terminal 3, Gate E4 at Echo 4. The fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Please then clear the door areas to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Again, welcome to
It's like shooting.
Wait, actually, come here.
Not recording already, bro. Soulage.
You, dude. So I don't really know what to make the outro for this video. So here's some like Subway Surfers gameplay. You guys brain rotted Instagram like attention span. There's some Subway Surfers gameplay. Alright, let's go on a walk. How about that? We're gonna get an actually interesting outro. All right, we're here in San Diego. San Diego, California.
Yo, buddy.
By the way,
You gotta censor this. You gotta censor this, bro. I'm gonna get jumped.
Are you? Say greetings and salutations.
Greetings and salutations.
Your teeth.
I'm not wearing socks, bro. I'm gonna get yo.
Let's go wake up Lucas, bro. So to celebrate reaching 3,000 subscribers, thank you. We're gonna be breaking and entering. Strat where like you just breaking in. Gotta be quiet. Hello. Can you let me in?
Sure, what do you want?
I want you to be in an outro.
Yes, I do.
So open the door. What do you have to say for yourself?
What?
You're in the outro of one of my videos. Everyone keep gooning.
I'm just kidding. Cut that. Subscribe to IDXLU.
That was the right answer. Thanks for watching.
Joe Biden.